you can see that before they say the word despacito, which in Spanish means slow it down, they also slow down the tempo. Hello everyone, welcome to another video here at Bliss. Today we are going to be talking about word painting. Word painting, also known as tone painting or text painting, is a musical technique of composing music that reflects the literal meaning of a word of a music story. It's part of what we call programmatic music, and it goes as far as the Gregorian chant in the 9th and 10th century. For example, the pattern fa mi sol la back in the Gregorian chant era represented the humiliation and death of Christ and his resurrection into glory. Humiliation and death, resurrection into glory. And this used to be put into biblical Latin text. Also in the 15th and 16th century, there was a music genre called madrigal, and the music would represent, for example, the spring, or happiness, or fairs, and happy moments. And that was very distinctive of that particular type of music. There are so many different examples of this in classical music, but there are also examples of this in popular music. The first example that we're going to be seeing today about word painting in popular music is in the song Friends in Low Places by Garth Brooks. And here, listen to how when he says the word low, his voice goes very low. The second example that we're going to be seeing it is in A Spoonful of Sugar from Mary Poppins. How when she says down, the melody goes down and she uses a nice slide there. Spoonful of sugar helps the medicine go down, the medicine go down, the medicine go down. The third example that we're going to be seeing today is in the song They Can't Take That Away From Me. There's a very, very famous song. Frank Sinatra sang this song, Ella Fitzgerald sang this song, Sarah Vaughan sang this song, and in this particular case, I'm going to show in Diana Krall, and each of these artists, they deliberately went off key, where the actually phrase, with the way you go off key, comes into the song. The way your smile just beams, the way you sing off key. Also, we have another example in the song Smash the Mirror. When the word rise comes through, it basically goes up by a semitone. Can you feel me? Can you feel my tempo rise? Rise, 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 rise. So far we have seen only changes in pitches. We have raised the pitch, we have gone sliding down the pitch, the pitch going completely lower, but what about the tempo? Well, here in the song Despacito, you can see that before they say the word despacito, which in Spanish means slow it down, they also slow down the tempo. But it goes deeper than that. In the song Hallelujah, Leonard Cohen not only works with word painting, with the melody, but also with the harmony. Listen to this. Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lead, the baffled king composing hallelujah. So here's mentioning the fourth. That's the fourth of the chord of G major, fourth, the fifth, then the minor fall, which is in the submedian, which is a minor chord, and then the major lift. So it's talking there about the harmony. How amazing is that? So I hope you have learned about word painting, tone painting, text painting today, and then you try and find and identify in the songs that you sing. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you in the next. Bye!